welcome back. So in today's video, I'm so excited to share with you what's behind this door. If you're familiar with my home at all, then you will know this sits right outside of my guest bathroom. So yes, I'm going to be showing you an amazing bathroom transformation, and I spent no money on it. Well, that's a lie. I spent $20 on a quart of ceiling paint. Everything else I had, I did not change decor. I used the exact same decor. I may have tweaked it where I put it and styled it, but everything else I had. This bathroom is amazing. I absolutely love it. I was sitting in my recliner one day and decided I was going to paint this bathroom the same color I painted my guest bedroom, the lighter color on all three walls. And it was one of those things that just kind of snowballed because I remembered when we put the crown mold up that we didn't ever really caulk it like it should have been. So I knew I was gonna have to caulk it. Well, in doing the caulk, then you realize how bad the ceilings were, so they needed to be painted. So I've painted the ceiling, I've caulked and painted the trim, I've painted the crown, base molding, and the walls. It just kind of snowballed. If you've ever done a DIY, then I'm sure you understand. But the end result was worth it. It literally took me one whole day to caulk and paint. And by that evening, James and I were hanging, he helped me hang up the big shelf he made me over the toilet. He helped me hang that up, and then everything else I did myself. But I love it, and I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised at just what a little bit of paint can do. So, are you ready? You ready? Let's go in. This is the before. Get all the lights on. Oh. This is the before. To do some caulking, and I need to paint the trim. I need to caulk up there. That needs to be caulked. And I'm trying to pan out so y'all can see everything. But this is the before. And I'm going to show you how just literally changing the paint color is going to change this whole entire room. I may change the shower curtain, but other than that, yeah, I'm just gonna change the paint color. Okay, y'all, ceiling is caulked. And now I've got to paint the ceiling because it is discolored. So I'm gonna paint it, and then I'm gonna paint the trim, and then I'm gonna paint the walls. A lot of painting in this one little tiny bathroom. All because I got a wild hair. But it needs it, so I'm gonna do it. I had to get all the holes, like stuff patched that needed it. These I didn't patch because I'll be hanging that piece back up there that goes there, and I'm gonna leave the screws and stuff in the walls because I'm putting stuff in the same spot. So I didn't even worry about taking those down, having to remeasure and all that stuff. So time to paint the ceiling. This is the difference. Massive difference. I think going forward, I will not be burning any more candles in the bathroom because this is what it's from. I will be taking the vent down, cleaning it, and spray painting it too. Okay, first coat done. I'm gonna see how it dries, and I really hope I don't have to do a second coat, but if I do, I do. But y'all, this bathroom looks so much brighter than it did. I took the globes off and washed them, so I'll put them up later. But yeah, I mean, it's so much brighter. But this is the first coat. The ceiling's done, the crown mold's painted, the baseboard's painted, trim around the door's painted. I'm gonna just scrub that door because I don't feel like painting it, but I may end up having to paint it, but anyway. There you go. All right, y'all, this is it, dry. And I love it. So much, love it. Right? I know, y'all, it still amazes me. After all the years and all the painting I've done, it still amazes me at what paint can do to a room. It totally transformed this bathroom. I absolutely love it. And y'all know me, I love me some color in my house. Y'all not gonna catch me with no color. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.